Today we'll solve exercise 13.2 question number 1. Work out this 10% of $200. So we need to find out 10% of $200. So how can you solve? 10% actually means 10 by 100. Of means into 200. So now if we divide 200 by 100, it will be 2. 2 tens are $20. Done. Now, question number B. Question number B says 10% of $6. So 10% actually represent 10 by 100 into 6. So now we have to divide. We can easily cut 0 and 0. Then it will be 6 by 10. 6 by 10 can be represented as $0.6 after converting this fraction into decimal. Okay. Now, question number C. Question number C says 10% of $7.20. So 10% actually means 10 by 100. Of means into $7.20. Okay. Now we can cut 0 by 0. Then 7.20 divided by 10 will be $0.72. Okay. This is the answer of question number 1, A, B, C. Now question number D. Question number D says 20% of $30. So 20% represent 20 by 100. Of means into multiplied by 30. Now we need to multiply. 20 multiplied by 30 will be 600 by 100. So if we divide 600 by 100, it will be $6. Simple. Question number E. Question number E says 30% of $60. So 30% represent 30 by 100. Of means into 60. So 30 into 60, very simple one. Just we need to cancel the zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. So 6 3s are 18 by 1 or $18. Done. Very simple one. Now, question number F. Question number F says 20% of $5. So 20% represent 20 by 100. Of means into $5. So if we divide 100 by 20, it will be 5. After cancelling 5 and 5, we will get $1. It's very simple one. Now, question number G. Question number G says 20% of $300. 20% represent 20 by 100. Of means into $300. So after cancelling 0, 0, we will get 20 multiplied by 3. That will be $60. Question number 8. Question number 8 says 30% of $18. So 30% means 30 by 100 multiplied by $18. Okay. Now, if we cancel 0 and 0, then we will get 18 times 3, that is 54 by 10, or it will be $5.4. Because if we want to divide 54 by 10, then we have to put a point before one digit. So answer will be 5.4. Now, I says 30% of 8.60. 30% means 30 by 100 into 8.6. Now, if we cancel 0 and 0, then we have 3 multiplied by 8.6. 3 6 are 18, we have 1. 3 8 are 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 10. Okay. So now, if we divide 25.8 by 10, answer will be $2.58. Very simple one. Now, question number J. 5% of $40. Very simple one. 5% means 5 by 100. Of means into $40. Okay. So now cancel 0 and 0. 10 by 5 will be 2 and 4 by 2 will be 2. So 5% of $40 will be actually $2. Okay. Now question number K. Question number K says 5% of $300. That means 5 by 100 multiplied by 300. So now we have to cancel 0 and zeros. So 5 3s are $15. Simple. Now question number L. 5% of $6.80. So 5% means actually 5 by 100 multiplied by 6.80. So now multiply. 500, 5 8 are 40, you have 4, 5 6 are 30 plus 4, 34. Okay, divided by 100. So here it will be 34.00. After multiplying 5 by 6.80, we will get 34.00. Now, 34.00 or 34 by 100, 34.00 by 100 or 34 by 100, both of what are same. So our final answer will be $34 by 100 will be 0.3. Now we will start question number 2. Question number 2 says a sales representative gets 15% commission on sales of $600. How much is his commission? So we need to find out the commission. What is the commission here? Commission is 15% of $600. 15% means actually 15 by 100. Of means into 600. Now, if we divide 600 by 100, it will be 6. So 15 multiplied by 6 will be $90. Now, question number 3. Which is more? 15% of 20 or 20% of 15? Actually, both are same. 15% of $20 represent 15 by 100 multiplied by 20. So if we divide 0, 0, then 15 to the 30 by 10, it will be 3. Or if we want to say, look, 20% of 15, 20% of 15, then similar thing, 20% means 20 by 100 into 50. 100 by 20 will be 5, 15 by 5 will be 3. Look, both one actually same. So 15% of 20 or 20% of 15, both are same. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 says, a shop increases its DVD prices by 5%. What is the increase on our DVD, which originally cost $20? So that means increment. We need to find out the increased amount. Increased value. Increased value will be actually 5%. Increased value will be 5% of $20. 5% means 5 by 100 into 20. So if we divide 100 by 20, it will be 5. 5 and 5, then answer will be $1. Okay. Question number 5. A charity spends 5% of their income on administration. 1 year they receive $8,000. So how much is spent on administration? So our job to find out this spent, that means spend on administration. So how can we solve it? It will be 5% of $8,000. 5% means actually 5 by 100 into 8,000. After dividing 0 and 0 or cancelling, after cancelling 0 and 0, we will get 5 multiplied by 80. So 580 is a $400. Okay. So here the administration spent actually $400 charity purpose on the charity purpose. Now question number 6. 20% of the students in our school arrive by bus. There are 800 students in the school. How many arrive by bus? So 20% of 800 students arrive by bus. So 20% of 800. 20% means 20 by 100. Of means into 800. So now we need to cancel 0 and 0. So 20 into 8, it will be 160 students. Question number 7. 15% of 720 students in a school are left-footed. How many students it is? So it will be 15% of 720 students. So 15% means 15 by 100 into 720. So we need to cancel 0 and 0. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 72 by 2 will be 36. So 3 6 are 18. We have 1. 3 3 are 9 plus 1, 10. 108 students. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 says, a school gave 30% of the money raised from a sponsored bike ride to a charity. The total raised was $260. So how much did the charity receive? So 30% of 260 will be received as a charity. So 30% of $260. So 30% means actually 30 by 100 into $260. Now cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 3 multiplied by 26. 3 6 are 18. We have 1. 3 to the 6 plus 1, $78. So answer of question number 8 will be $78. Now question number 9. In a year, a family spends 5% of their income on fuel. They have an income of $23,000. How much do they spend on fuel? So what will be the answer? 5% of $23,000. So 5% means actually 5 by 100 into $23,000. Now we need to cancel 0 and 0. So our final answer will be 5 multiplied by 2, 230. 500, 5 2 is a 15, we have 1. 5 2 is a 10 plus 1, 11. So $1150 will be the final answer of question number 9. Now question number 10. Question number 10 says, Selena paid 23% of her income in tax. How much tax did she pay in the month when she earned $1,284? So she gave actually 23% of $1,284 as a tax. So 23 divided by 100 into 1284. Okay. Now we have to divide. Then we'll get our final answer. Okay. So 23 multiplied by 1284. We need to solve it at first. Then we will divide by 100. Very simple one. So 1284 multiplied by 23. 3 4 is 12. We have 1. 824 plus 125. We have 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 2 8. 3 1 is 3. 0. 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, we have 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5, 2 1 is 2. So 2, 8 plus 5, 13, we have 1. 7 plus 8, 15, we have 1. 6 plus 3, 9, 2. So 29532 by 100, or we can say the answer will be 295.32. Now question number 11. 11 says, work out this. Question 11a, 63% of 475. Now, 63% means actually 63 by 100 multiplied by 475. After using the calculator, we can say the final answer will be 299.25. Okay. Number B, 75% of 27. 75% means 75 by 100 into 27. After using calculator, we can get 20.25. Okay. So here we can use the calculator and we can solve the remaining problems very easily. We can solve one more question, question number J. The decimal one, 3.5% of $60. 3.5% means 3.5 by 100 multiplied by 60. After using the calculator, we can get the final answer will be $2.10. Okay, very simple one. Now, question number 12. Question number 12 says, Bardell's Jewelers offered 37.5% off the price of all rings. How much did they offer of a ring priced at 420? So here we need to find out the discount. So discount will be actually 37.5%. So here we have to find out 37.5% of $420. 37.5% means 37.5 by 100 multiplied by 420. Now we need to use calculator to find out the answer. So 37.5 multiplied by 420 will be 15,750 by 100. Okay. Now after dividing this 15750 by 100, we'll get the answer will be $157.50. Very simple. And our last problem, question number 13. Question number 13 says, a bus company claimed that over 80% of the seats in their buses are fitted with safety belts. What is the smallest number of seats that must have seat belts fitted in a 53-seater bus? So how can you solve? It will be actually 85% of 53. So 85% means 85 by 100 multiplied by 53. 85 into 53 will be 4505 by 100. That means 45.05. So we can say we have actually 45 seats that must have seat belts. Okay. So answer will be 45 seats. And that is the solution of this chapter.